Most people shop on Amazon every single week, but what if I told you that there was a secret Amazon credit card that anyone can get, even with bad credit, and it actually can help you increase your credit score fast? Listen, if you've been trying to rebuild your credit, but you keep getting denied for regular credit cards, listen close, because this one might be your best starting point. Hello everyone, my name is Calvin Russell. I'm a certified FICO credit strategist, and I'm also the CEO of 850 Club Credit. In this video, I'm going to show you all how the Amazon Secure Credit Card works, also how it can help you build your credit the right way, and what most people get wrong when they use it. If you're serious about increasing your credit score, qualifying for homeownership, or lowering your car payment, check out my private credit community where people like you are seeing results fast. You can scan the QR code or click the link in the description below to learn more or get started today. All right, let's get into it. Before we talk about the Amazon Secure Card, let's talk about why secure credit cards matter in general. A secured credit card is like a test. You put down a deposit, let's say $200, and that becomes your limit. You use the credit card, you pay it off, and that shows lenders that you can handle your credit responsibly. Now, the Amazon Secured Credit Card is different from most because it's not just backed by Amazon. It's actually issued by Synchrony Bank, the same bank behind major retail cards. And that's important because Synchrony, they report to all three major credit bureaus. That's Experian, Equifax, and yes, TransUnion, okay? That means every time you swipe your credit card, every time you make a payment, and every time that there's a statement, it's gonna help you build your credit history. But here's the part that nobody talks about. Amazon's secured credit card has a built-in upgrade path, which means if you handle it the right way, you can eventually upgrade to an unsecured Amazon Visa, and that's going to be through Chase Bank. And also, that's where big rewards are going to come in. So let's walk through how it all works step by step. First, let's talk about the approval process. Now, the Amazon Secured Credit Card is designed for people rebuilding their credit, okay? That means your approval odds are very high, even if your score is in the low 500s. That doesn't mean that it's a guaranteed approval because they are going to run your credit as well too. But when you apply, Amazon checks your identity and they do a soft inquiry to see if you qualify. Now, if you're approved, you'll still need to make a security deposit. The minimum is $100 and it's up to $1,000. Now, that money is going to sit into a savings account as collateral, and that becomes your spending limit. So, for example, if you deposit $200, you can spend up to $200. Simple. But here's the key. Always use less than 10% of the limit. So if you do have a $200 limit, try not to spend more than $20 at a time. That's how you build your credit score faster. Now, let's talk about what makes this credit card overall different. Unlike secured credit cards or most secured credit cards, Amazon is going to give you 5% cash back on purchases, but that's only if you're a Prime member. That's right. Even though it's secured, they still will give you cash back. So while you're rebuilding your credit, you're also earning rewards for the things that you already buy. That includes groceries, cleaning supplies, electronics, or even toilet paper, okay? Here's why most people mess this up. They think because they have a credit card that they can spend freely, but your secured credit card is not free money. It's a credit building tool. So you want to use it for small, easy, predictable expenses like your phone bill or streaming subscription. Then pay it off in full before your statement date. You've probably experienced this. You pay your bill on time, but then your score doesn't move. That's because the time that you do it, it matters. Pay before the statement date, before the statement closes, not after. And if you can, turn on auto pay, especially for the full balance. That way you never miss a payment, and Synchrony is going to report that perfect payment history every single month, okay? Now, let's talk about the upgrade path because this is where things get interesting. Amazon doesn't just keep you with a secured credit card forever. After about 12 months of good payment history, Synchrony may graduate your account to an unsecured credit card, which means they'll also refund your deposit that you gave to them as well. But here's the hidden benefit That means having a secure credit card with Amazon is going to open up the doors to other Synchrony products like a PayPal credit card, Care Credit, and other store cards like Lowe's or Sam's Club, because now you're in their ecosystem. They all use similar internal scoring systems. So in a sense, this one Amazon card could be your entry point into a full credit ecosystem. If you're rebuilding your credit score and you want step-by-step help to get you there, from me and my team, join the 850 Club Elite. We help members increase their credit scores, qualify for homes, cars, high-limit credit cards, lowering their car payments, all without confusion. You'll also get access to my personal credit strategies, and you'll also get access to group Q&As as well. Click the link in the description below or scan the QR code on your screen to join today. Now let's talk about some results, because a lot of people ask, they say things like, Calvin, how fast can my credit score go up if I do something like this? It depends on what's already on your credit report. If you have no revolving credit, this secure credit card can add 20 to 60 points within a few months. Now, if you've already had some credit cards, it will add positive history and strengthen your profile, but keep in mind your average age of credit, so your score may drop or it may not move at all. Remember, credit is all about patterns. When lenders see consistent payments, low utilization, and older accounts, they reward you with better offers and better terms. And that's exactly how you're going to move from a $200 secured credit card to a $2,000 unsecured card to an Amazon Visa with bigger rewards. But there's a catch. And this what separates those who win from those who struggle. If you're using your credit card and you're letting your balances roll over, which means you're carrying a balance, you're killing your own progress. And Synchrony is watching. They're watching how you're spending it, and they're not just paying attention to just how you pay. They track your balance to limit ratio, which is your utilization. They look at your payment history, and they also look at your account age. If you want that upgrade, keep your balance under 10% and never miss a payment. Synchrony's system uses internal scoring to decide upgrades, okay? It's not just based on your FICO score. It's how you manage their products. They want to see consistency. And if you've ever had a Synchrony account before in the past that went bad, that could slow down your upgrade process. But if you're new to them, then that's actually a good thing. That means you're starting fresh. And listen, one of our members recently, they started with a 540 credit score, okay? They got an Amazon secured credit card with a $300 limit. And after 6 months, just 6 months of on-time payments and staying under 10% utilization, her credit score increased to a 621. Now, at the 12-month mark, she was upgraded and her deposit was also refunded. That's the power of using this type of credit card the right way. Now, what if you're not a Prime member, okay? You still will get 2% cash back on Amazon purchases, and your payments will still help build your credit score fast. The real win here is the data that Synchrony is going to send to the credit bureaus, which is going to increase your credit score overall. And even if you don't spend that much, every month that you're proving financial responsibility, and that's what lenders are looking to see. They want to see if you're trying to increase your credit score. And by the way, if you are trying to increase your credit score and you want a simple step-by-step plan, things that you could do right now, grab my free credit guide. It'll show you exactly what lenders are looking for, what accounts are going to help you right now, and how to fix some common mistakes fast. Scan the QR code right here on your screen or click the link in the description below and download your copy today. Now, once your secured credit card becomes unsecured, your deposit is going to be returned to you and your limit usually is going to increase. That's when you can start applying for higher tier credit cards like Discover It or Capital One Quicksilver or Barclays or American Express, okay? From there, your focus should shift to credit diversity, adding installment accounts, an auto loan or rent reporting, especially if you're renting. Remember, it's not about having a lot of credit. It's about having the right mix of accounts that's reporting positive payment history. And listen, credit isn't just about numbers. It's about an opportunity. Every point is going to matter, especially when it's time to qualify for a home or rental property, or you're trying to get a lower car payment, or you're trying to just qualify for better terms overall. People get stuck because they don't know where to start. But listen, if you've made it this far, now you do. Okay, start small, stay consistent, and you'll build your way to freedom. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel today. And if you like this video, you're most definitely gonna love the next one. I'll see you guys soon.